Hello and welcome to the Berman Fan TV. It's the Outfront match preview show. San Miguel taking on Phoenix Fuel Masters tomorrow afternoon at the Smart Aeronautical Field. San Miguel Berman is preparing for the ultimate task by beating Phoenix Fuel Masters. Thanks to the returning Junmar Fajardo from the national pool, as San Miguel is ready to attack in a offensive task by beating Fuel Masters without JC Intal. However, we have to watch out for these two new imports. He is Lee Kwan Hee is from Korea Republic. His agility to score 3-point shot, and he can make some adjustments in the opposition by beat down some other big men. And the other one is the American import is Marcus Simmons. He's a center forward and he shoot more in exceeding 40 points as Simmons had a lot to score more by the Fuel Masters. But these two imports can make them some ultimate adjustments by giving them a best shot against our team, the Beermen. Kaya lalong mahihirapan tayo kahit wala tayong Asian import. But can Beermen prove that still the best in this year's Governor's Cup, just like last year, without an Asian import? We will see what happens. The starting five of me is Reed, Cabagnot, Ross, then Lassiter, and Fajardo. So that's my starting five for tomorrow's game. It will be a 1-1-3 formation on the Beerman's offense and defense tactics. So good luck na lang. Anyway, do you agree in my formation and lineups? Tell us in the comment section below. Like us on Facebook, facebook.com/thebermanfantv. And don't forget to subscribe on the YouTube channel. Ako po si Andre Alvaro and we'll see you in the next video and see you in the game. Bye.